ಸಾರಿ 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 ಹಾಂ ಸಾರಿ ಅದೇನಂದೇನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಗೈಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ಲೆ ನನಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿನಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ಹೇಮ ನೀನು? ಹಾಂ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಲಿ. ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ತಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಗ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ ಅರೆ ನಾ ಬೇರೆ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Just a minute chat. Due to network issue, my stream got ended. I am really sorry for that. ಸರ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೋಲ್ಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಎಸ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀನು? It's okay. By the way, I'm sorry that the stream ended just 5 minutes ago due to some network issue. Now we are back with a new live. So people who are watching the stream by bunking their classes, if you are engineer, that's okay. If you are from medical field, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇರಲಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಲೀಚ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಥರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಡೈರೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಹಳೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗ ಅದಾರೇನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಚಾಲು ಮಾಡಿನ ಅಂತಂದು. ನೋಡೋಣ ತಡಿ, ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಾಣತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಚಾಲು ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ? ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಿಡು. ಇದರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೊಂಟೈತಿಲ್ಪ. Let me delete that video because it will be showing that they'll be stuck in that video only, right? Yes. Everything is fine. Go ahead, sir. Yes, sir. I am just removing the old stream because due to let it be. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಫರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಯು. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ? ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐತ್ಲೆ? ಹಾಂ, it's okay. So yesterday there was a due to contest, right, chat? So yesterday I did one question in 25 minutes. Okay, after that it took me time to solve the beep question. So I think we will solve that question, or we will go with the CP31. We will go with the CP31. Hema bhaypadnanga. We will go with the CP31. Yes, no, no. First we will see the question that I solved, because I solved it, chat. In the first try, it got solved. I'll show you how it got solved. In 25 minutes, I solved it, chat. Where is the timing, bhai? Let it be 2030 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ at 2020 uh, the contest was live, right? I submitted at 25 minutes. That's okay. Now we will go with the question, because that's very important, because that's a contest problem. We will solve another question from that, and that will be for today's stream. So in this question, in a card game, there are n cards with values. Though, so there will be a card. The card game, they will be present to determine which card wins. So this question was saying that let use exiled Roy. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ನಾ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಚಾಟ್. So we will be giving an array starting from 2. Array ಏನು ಹೊಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ starting from 2 till 3 and till n plus 1, till n plus 1 the array will giving the zeroth index will be 2. The zeroth index will be 2. For that, so if can the question is saying that if one of the number x and y is divisible by the other, the card with the smaller value wins. If one of the numbers x and y is divisible by other, the card with the smaller value wins. Okay. So if we take 2 and 3, so if both are not divisible by with each other, so okay, then the if both of them are divisible by each other, then the smaller wins, right? But in this case, they both are not divisible by one another, right? So the larger one wins. Here it is given the card with the larger one wins if they are not divisible by each other, or any one of them is divisible by any one of them. In this case, so we have to print yes if there is present a number which follows this case. Now he's telling that we have to take two numbers, and if both of them are divisible by with each other, any one of them is divisible to the other number, then the smaller value wins, and then otherwise the larger number wins. For example, between second and 6 card, 2 wins, because 6 is divisible by 2, yes. And between card 4 and 6, card 6 wins, because 4 and 6 are not divisible by any one of them, right? So 6 wins because it is a larger value. The number is divisible by the other. Neither of these number is divisible by the other. Determine whether there exists a card that wins against every other card. ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಮಾ, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಗಪ್ರ. Determine whether there exists a card that wins against every other card. For example, between cards 2 and 6, and card 2 wins because 6 is divisible by 2. Between card 4 and 6, card 6 wins because, okay. Now we have to choose a card. No, we have to check whether is there any number that follows this. If it follows, then we have to print yes. If not, then print no. Determine whether there exists a card that wins against every other card. So if it is divisible, then it should be the less smaller number, and if it is not divisible, then it should be the larger number than the other number that we are comparing with it. So now let's take the fourth test case, the third test case, which says 4. There will be four numbers starting from 2, 3, 4, 5. These are four numbers. Now chat, 2 and 3, in these two, 3 wins, right? Because 2 does not divide 3 and 3 does not divide 2, so the larger number wins. And in 2 and 4, 2 wins, right? And in 2 and 5, 5 wins, right? Arey chat, mali barade chat. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, chat, 1 second. I think I have to close the window. Let the rain come in, then I will close the window. Why should I simply get up here? Right now, 3 and 4, 4 wins. No, let it be here. We'll write here 4 wins, right? Because 3 does not divide 4 and 4 does not divide 3, so the larger number wins. And in 4 and 5, 5 wins, right? Because 4 does not divide 4, 5 and 5 does not divide 4, the 5 wins. And Flux Tuber, bro, I got that. Congrats, bro, congrats. Congrats, bro. I was wondering where you went after that message, right? You told that there is an interview. After that, you did not came. Now you're coming. By the way, congratulations. So the last number remaining here is 5. So in all three, so the number that is common is 5. So the 5 wins, right? So this number wins. So we have to print yes. So if you recognize here, we get a pattern that if 2 is there, chat, I have to close the window. I have to close the window, chat. I have to close the window. Just a minute, chat. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Chat, just a minute, chat. I have to. I think my hotspot. Yes, my hotspot is turned off. Array. Just a minute. Did the stream end? The stream ended. It should not. It should not. It should not. Array. No, it's not. It's not. It did not end it. Okay. We are good now. I just connected with a different Wi-Fi. Okay. So in this problem, we have to choose a prime number because let's assume for the number 5, right? Number 5, we have to take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 numbers, right? Chat. 5. Just a minute, chat. in this 2 3 4 5 and 6, 4 5 6, so here 3 wins. But in this 5 is not divisible by 6, and 6 is not divisible by 5, right? And here 6 wins, but in this case and in this case 2 and 3 wins. So this is not clearly the winner. So, and this is also not a winner, because in these two cases 6 wins, and in these three cases 2 and 3 wins. So this number 5 does not use does not have a winner properly. So we have to choose a prime number, or it should be a prime number, but it should be at last. It should be at last. So that's why, so it took me 25 minutes to think that way, to recognize that pattern. Yes. So the code that I have written is this. We'll take an int, and then we'll take int. Okay. Now if b is equals to 2, because the index starts from 2, right? We'll print as, else we will start from 2 until b plus 1, because till the last index we have to check it, right? Last index, because b is, if we assume it is following the one index, right? So that's why we have to take plus 1 here, and then b plus 1 mod j. If any number, if the last number is divisible by any of the number, then it's not a prime number. So that's why we'll print no and break it. And if it is not divisible, then we will increase an integer that we have took here as a c, and increase it by 1 every time if it is not divisible. And then if the number is equals to the count of um, what, b minus 1, because the number will be large, we have to exclude it and we have to count the remaining numbers, that is b minus 1. If it is equals to that, then we have to print s, otherwise we have to print it no. First I was not including any long here, and then I realized there should be a long, because this is a contest, we can't take risk, right? So this is the only question that I did in the contest, but we have to see whether my rating increases or decreases. uh, yes, I think we are good to go with our new problem with CP-31, because this is the first problem that I will be doing today. Yes, I let's check how is. So we are good to go with our new problem, that is b minus 1. If it is equals to that, then we have to print s, otherwise we have to print it. Yes, chat. Did I pause that? I paused that. Okay. And now go to go with the next question, not dividing. Okay. You are given an array of n positive integers. You are given integer of array of n positive integers a1, a2 till an. ठीक है. In one operation you can choose any number of the array and add 1 to it. Operation, you can choose any number of the array and add 1 to it. Make at most 2n operations so that the array satisfies the following property. A1 plus 1 is not divisible by ai for each I equals 3. Okay. Do not, you do not read, you do not need to minimize the number of operations. Make at most 2n operations. So the maximum that we can do is 2n operations. Array satisfies a plus 1 is not divisible by AI for each I uh, we should only increase the array 1. We can only add 1, right? Add 1 to it. Okay, then till 1 I 1 till n minus 1. Okay, is 2436, right? Multiple operations, multiple answers can be accepted. If there are multiple answers, print any of them. Okay, we got that. Multiple answers are okay. Then if 2 is there, then we have to increase the maximum number is 6, right? So we have to increase it only by 6. Then can we subtract it? Operation, you can choose any number of the array and add 1 to it. For the 8, we can make 8 operations. 3 2 3 6 is there, increase it by 1. 2 here, 1 here, 3 here, 2 1 3 and 3 6 plus 1 7. In first operation there are 7 operation performed, right? The total number of operation performed is 7 in this test case, which is less than allowed operation in this case. Okay, now 3. Okay, is not divisible by AI. A plus 1 is not divisible by AI. It is divisible. It is divisible. Okay, let's consider. Let's take the first element, then check the second element. Is AI okay? Is AI, does our AI can divide A plus AI plus 1? If not, then we'll go to AI plus 1 to AI plus 2 and check it. If yes, then we'll increase AI plus 1 by 1 and then go forward and then go forward and then go forward. So we can do that. Can be achieved by applying two operation to the first element, one operation to the second element, and three operation to the third element, and one operation to the last element, seven which is less than that. So in the first one, it is not divisible. Uh, first one can be first one can divide two, right? One to the two. So one can divide two. So what we do is we increase uh, 2 by 1, which will be 3. Array, then if AI is 1, we increase it by 1. If AI is 1, we increase it by 1 and then go to the forward. If it is not 1, then we will go for the next. We will increase AI plus 1 by 1. If what I'm saying here is that we have our we'll take the second example, right? Now first example we will take ah, we have 2 4 3 6, right? uh, what we will do now, it is divisible, so what we'll do, 2 5 3 6. Now we'll check. Now this is not done. Is there any mention that AI plus 1 AI should be less than AI plus 1? No, nothing like that. Now what we'll do, is it divisible? No, it is not divisible, and we will go till here. So it is this, so 3 can divide 6, so we will increase this by 1, so it can be 2 5 3 7, right? It can be possible. It can't divide this, it can't divide this, and it can't divide this. We are done. And if 1 2 3, one can divide 2, right chat? So if it is 1, then we increase it by plus 1, so it becomes 2 2 3. Now what we'll do, we will check it is divisible, so we'll increase this 2 by 1, it becomes 2 3 3. So now this will divide this, so we'll increase this by 1. Okay, uh, 2 3 4. So the number of operations that performed is 1 here, uh, 2 here because we increased 2 by 3, and 3 here. We did 3 operations, so the maximum that we could do is 3 into 2, which is 6. We could do 6, but we did 3, so we can do this. Yes chat, we'll directly code now. What we will do now is I will took a input. Okay, we took a input. Int b is present. It can be present anything, right? Alright, first we'll take int, we'll test it, and then cnb chat. Then we'll take a vector array of size b, right? And then for int array index j, ಇದು input correct ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ? correct ಐತಿ. Now what we will do chat, array ಇದು launch ಆಗೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ correct ಆಗಿ. Yes, we took our input. Now yes, our input is proper. Now what we'll do chat, we will take int c, no, int count. Yes, we have to take int count because we don't know what will happen if it is no, what I'm speaking, we have to check the number of operations, right? Okay, we'll start from the 0th index. If array index 0 equals 1, then increase the count plus 1, and else. Now we'll go for int j equals 0, j less than b, j plus plus, if array index j, it should be less than j b minus 1. Now array index j, if array index j mod array index j plus 1 equals 0, then we will increase count by plus 1, and then we will change array index j plus 1 equals array index j plus 1 plus 1. This only, right? We have to do. Yes, this is what we have to do. Now just print cout. Let's check it. No, we have to print the array, the new array, right? Yes. Then no need to count. Right? Chat, I'm sorry, we have to check it from. Array, no, it's correct, it's correct, it's correct. I have to change here array index 0 plus 1. I have to do this because if the 0th index is 1, we will increase it by 1, and so in the next one, if then there should be no else condition here, then there should be no else condition. Yes, then there should be no else condition. I got it. Okay, now what we have to do is, chat, can you give me 1 second? I have to go, emergency is there. Put message from our college. Now what we'll do, we will print the entire loop now. For j equals 0, j less than v, j plus plus, cout array index j, cout endl. So this should work, chat, but we will see. I know it will not run. 2 4 3 6, right? 2 array increase हो जा भाई. Array index from 0, right? If mod 1, what is array index plus 1? There is no use of printing this count. It's not coming. Why it's not coming? I have to change something. What is that? Ray, why it's not increasing? Bhai? Did the code updated? It is updated, but let me copy this chat and then Ray, it's not running. Is there any error in the code? It is running, but let's check. It is running, but it increases by 2. Yes, it is increased. Oh, sorry chat. Sorry chat. What a mistake. What a mistake. What a mistake. What a mistake, chat. What a mistake. What a mistake. What a mistake. Sorry, chat. 2436, right? 2537. Now, is that perfect? Is that what I got here? Yes, 2537. That's correct. Let's take 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Is that perfect? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1 increased by 2. Yes, because 1 can divide any number after that. So we increased 1 by 2. We got 2. 2 can't divide 3. Does 3 can divide 4? No. So it is correct. Now, for the total operation does not need to be minimum. Okay. 2, 4, 4 and 2. It should be 4 and 2 only. Yes. We will submit it chat and then see if there is any error. If not, then we have completed this problem. Array, I forgot what is the code. 1794b. 1794b. It should get submitted. Let's check our stream how it's going. Array, everybody went. It should get submitted. Use of printing this count. It's not coming. Why it's not coming? Okay. Oh, what if? Okay, I got it. What's the problem? I got it. The problem that we can face here is, what if it is, we have wrote the code. Acha, you're asking to show this. You're asking this, right? By the way, welcome to the stream. If you're new, please consider subscribing, bro. This only, right? You're asking. So what if we get like the test case 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. So now this is not divisible. Yes. Yeah, please consider subscribing. Okay. How should I read your name now? Is it thanks T5NX? What a creative name. Not able to read it. 2, 3. It will not able to divide it. So there is no operation needed here. And same for this. But one can divide this number, right? Tanveer. Okay. Welcome to the stream, Tanveer bhai. Now, if we found any one in the list, we have to update it, and then the rest of the things have to change the code. I did not think about the one coming in middle. I just thought if one is in the starting, we have to change it. Okay, that's okay. Okay, we'll check now. Uh, Wait a minute, chat. I will add or condition here. Array index j plus 1 equals to 1. Then array index 1 plus 1 should be. We'll add our custom input. Custom input that 2, 3, 1, 4. Array, what it's doing here? 3, 2. Why? Why? 2, 3, 1, 4, right? We have to increase a 1 by. Okay, just a minute. Uh, if array index plus 1. Matthew. Hi, Matthew, bro. Welcome to the stream. You do a great job, man. Array, nothing like that, bro. I get bored, so I open and I come to do live streaming. That's the boring thing, right? Array index j plus 1 equals to 1. Then array index j plus 1 plus 1. Yes. This should be in else if, right? Else if. Array, no. It should be in if condition only. No, I am not in college. I am in my home right now. From Monday onwards, my college. I will be in the college. At that time, I will end. I will start. I will do the streaming in the night time, like 10 to 12. Now it's holiday, right? In the daytime, I like it. So therefore, you do a great work. Thank you for your appreciation, bro. Thank you. It means a lot. If you say it, it means a lot. Thank you. So the custom input will be 2, 3, 1, 4. If you run it in if again, it's gonna print two outputs. But in is acha. अरे एलसिफ में क्या कर रहा हूँ बे मैं I did the wrong thing. I got to know here. I did wrong here. I got to know. अरे अरे हट जा भाई तू हट जा have to change this now. Oh, how can I check whether this is not okay? So I'll add another condition in this. Before, wait a second. If array index j plus 1 equals 1, what I'll do, uh, I'll increase array index j plus 1 as plus 1, and then if it is not, then we'll just go for it. So I wanted to check that. Alright, wait. I wanted to change if any number in the middle is 1, I have to update it by 1 and then check whether it is divisible by the previous number or not. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Array, then why we are getting only two outputs by array index? If array index j plus 1, then should I add another loop for this? I think I should add another loop for this. Then wait a minute, chat. I'll remove this whole condition here. J minus 1. No. Just b. Let it be. J plus 1. Now I got to know. I have figured it out. If array index j equals 1, what I'll do is I'll change it to array index j plus plus. Okay. Else continue by it will continue by itself. No worries. Now for index j minus 1, this is what index j mod j plus 1. No, this is where it made me, this autocorrect is there, right? This is okay. Array index j plus 1 should increase it by 1. Okay, then it's good. Okay. Array, how many for loops have root here? Why it's giving only two outputs by? Then the last one was right? Wait a minute. Then no need to write these all, right? Wait a minute. I'll check your code once a second. Once a minute. I think this should work, chat. Wait a minute. Wait, no, five, zero, अच्छा. Okay, you're doing that. I see. Well, I'll go for this, but before going for that, what I'll do now is, yeah, I appreciate you send the answer, but I have to, I have to I have to know why it's giving only two outputs, right? If I don't know, then what's the use of going forward, right? We'll just check here. Uh-huh. I will ask here why it's giving only two outputs. Instead of asking answer, I'll just ask it. अरे ये क्या सर्च किया है मैंने? अरे you're right. Why it's giving only two? अच्छा. For int index 0. So this is enough, right? Then why we should apply another? Okay, I wrote here correct. Now for int index b minus 1 j plus plus, this is correct chat. If that only, if array index plus 1, j plus 1 mod j is equals 0. Array, I'm doing it wrong, right? I'm doing it wrong. Yes, I am doing it wrong. If anybody knows this answer and if they say see me like this, it would be a very shameful thing. Hmm. Plus this is not used. Why we are doing this, but why? If it is, then we do it. If not, then we just skip it, right? So if we can directly apply here. If wait a minute, your current check in line 18 to 2020. Small logic bug to fix. Okay. If incrementing array index j plus 1 makes divisible by a index j again, or if changing j plus 1 creates a new division conflict with array index j plus 2, a single if statement won't catch it. Why? Since incrementing an element 1 by 1 at most once is always sufficient after eliminating all ones, the changing if to while guarantees that no adjacent divisibility. Uh, so if then the while loop runs only once, right? If array index j plus 1, assume that it is 6 and array index j is 3, it is 0. So array index j plus 1 is it will increase by 5, which is 7. Now it will not be divided, so the while condition gets false. Next the j goes for 1. Now array index j will be uh, array index increases j by 1, so from 3 to it will go to 4 and 4. Array it's hard array by from switching from. The only thing I'm getting confused is while what is the problem with the if problem with the if why uh, whereas while is doing the same thing, right? Yes, right, it is doing the same thing there. At first glance, okay, it feels like if and while should have behaved the same while after converting 1 to 2's increment. Acha. Array index j plus 1 by only happens once, however there is a subtle edge can fail. Okay, if consider what happens, array in j is 2 and array, okay, it increases by 3. When j is 0, array is 2 and 2, so due to do so if the condition triggers and array index plus 1 times 3, array now is to come 3, no issue here. Okay, now suppose array index is 2 to 2. Okay, array index 1 mod array index 0 equals 2, so array index 1 becomes 3. So array index 1 becomes 3. Yes, array becomes 2 3 2. Now step 2, array index 2. Why 2? Why is taking the second index by array index 2 mod 2 equals array index 1 equals array index 2 mod array index 1. Array, the code that he wrote here for int I, okay, it's correct. If array index I equals 1, then array index I plus plus, if array index mod array index minus 1 equals 0, then that I got it. But the condition that we have to change, that where I am stuck. Now uh, why he's taking the array index second, and okay, the index second is which is not, nothing changes, so it is valid. Where if actually fails is 2 3 and 6, where 2 and 3 is not, and 2 and 6 1 7, nothing changes. Array 2 3 6 at j equals 1, array index 2 and 3, so if the condition triggers, array index 2 plus plus turns 27. Now 237, so valid. Wait, what about 2 to 4? So it can 3 comes 3 and 2 3 4 at 1. So just before the loop hit 1, j equals 1, array index 2 was 4, but array index 1 was modified into 3. Why does while matter? Because we convert all ones to numbers to 2 beforehand, incrementing array index j plus 1, but 1 will never create another multiple of array index j, because if x mod j equals 0, then array index plus 1 mod can be 0 if y equals 1, since y is greater than equals 2, so x plus 1 mod is guaranteed to be non-zero. Array, then what is used then? For the exact way, if actually does work once you eliminate all ones, while using while is just a standard competitive programming safety habit to prevent subtle bugs. Chat, just give me a minute, chat. There's a heavy rain coming. have to close the window. Yes, we are back. We are back. Now we are taking for int, we are taking an input if array is index j is 1, we are increasing it by 1. Now if array index, that's good. Array, I'm getting very angry about this. Just a minute, chat. I'll just raw code it again. Yes, for int j is equal to 0, b less than 1, we got it. But ah ah j equals no 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 equals 1, what will take is we will increase array index j plus plus, yeah, that's good. Now chat, uh, we are done with this, right? Yes, we'll go out. Now for int j again, for int j again, if array index j, array index j, no, array index j plus 1 mod array index j, right? Array, this is this very small problem, I am taking it so long. Array index j plus 1 plus plus, right chat? This is what the basic thing which we were coding for. Now j plus 1 increases by 1. Now the all ones are converted to twos, and now if it is divisible then it converts to 2. No, huh, it's converted, increases by 1. Now okay, yes, this is where we have to print it. This should work now. Schema. Yes, it is changing, chat. It is changing, it is changing. Array, I forgot, Ray, I forgot. I forgot 1794B. 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 My friend, your outlooks are going to be stellar astra. अरे भाई क्या क्या वर्ड्स बोल देते हैं भाई, मुझे समझ नहीं आता. And thank you. If it, I think it's fabulous. Thank you, Matthew. We did it. Matthew bhai, your wish worked out. See, we passed a problem. We did it. We solved a question. We solved a question. We solved a question. Yes, we solved a question, chat. हमें लाइक दे देते हैं हमारे स्ट्रीम को. No problem with that. Now, chat. The main thing that we have to uh, do is we did this. Should we? अरे नहीं भाई, मुझे पैकिंग करना है अभी. So chat, what I'm thinking is, uh, I think I have to end the stream uh, because I have to pack my bags and move to hostel today evening, right? So I think we are good to end our stream right now because we solved our target problem that was left today, and now yes, we should end our stream. I have to pack my mice. We will meet tomorrow, chat. I will stream from hostel tomorrow, so we will meet there if possible. No, if it is possible. Why it's not possible? It is possible. Yeah, we will meet tomorrow, chat. We will meet tomorrow. Yes. Arey, I wanted to check whether the rating increased or not. Let's go. Our rating increased. Chat. Yesterday it was 590. It is now 637. It is increased. It is increased. How much it increased, by the way? 47 it increased, chat. After 2 months, no, after 3 months, I am seeing the graph which is going upwards. It was actually 590. No, it went up very down. It went to 400, then came 500. First it was 816. It went down. Now it is coming up. So it means then I have to solve the questions from due 2 and also and due 1 also from now onwards. I have registered it, but let's register. We'll see what happens. अरे देख भाई, should be 1900 above. We can't participate in that. This also I think we were not able to participate. ये सवाल अलग ही होते हैं भाई. It's okay. We will see what will be there. I don't know what will be there in ICPC 2026 online challenge. Should we see this, chat? Wait 1 second. I'll ask it. What type of questions can we expect from the ICPC contest mentioned there? Is it same as normal due on due to? अरे आंसर हाँ. No, ICPC online channel is very different from standard Codeforces D1 and D2. If you look closely on the signal provided, challenge is listed 14 days, 14 hours. Is it 14 hours? अच्छा 14 hours का होता है ये challenge. You, I did not see this before. I am seeing this now. Whereas normal given round ones in 2 to 3 yes, this massive difference in time because of the format and type of questions are completely different. Here is exactly what you can expect from these Hawaii challenges. Real world industrial problem. अरे भैया standard code was one of purely theoretical material find the shortest boundary. Yes, the Hawaii challenges are effectively designed to bridge the gap between the theoretical algorithms and the actual industrial application. It will ask to solve problems that are currently facing the real or rare heuristic and optimization focus in normal due to round a solution is either 100% correct accepted or wrong answer. In this horizon there is rarely one perfect answer. They are usually optimization problems. Your goal is to write a heuristic algorithm like stimulated and link genetic algorithms. It is far way behind. No, I am way behind for this contest. Networking optimization, data routing, scheduling, or networking bandwidth of specific device features. For example, one of the previous challenges asked contestants to write an algorithm to array, then we can't participate in that. Simply erase to say. It's okay, we have registered for the due 2, no problem with that. We can't participate in the div 1. But chat, I regret that I missed this div 3. I could have solved 3 questions in this, but it's okay. And I've also missed this div 2. I could have solved this also. It's okay. It's okay. We will end our stream chat now. I will come live tomorrow at this at this same time, I guess, because tomorrow is Sunday, right? Tomorrow is Sunday. We will stream at this time only because from Monday onwards we will stream. No, I will stream in from timing from 10 to 12, I guess. Yes, from 10 to 12. Yes, that's it for today's stream. Yes, we are good to end our stream, right? Bye chat, we will meet tomorrow.